all day. Here we go. My boy Justin hooking me up. Getting the intercooler in and the downpipe. Just like that. Take this damn bumper off. Justin's more scared than I am, man.
Yeah, well,
but I believe him.
I was very scared.
I was scared too. Intercooler done.
And torque.
Torque specs for 18. Was it 18?
18 foot-pounds.
18 foot-pounds. There you go. Like a glove. Nice. Next, downpipe.
This is the best stuff right here.
Better than a PV blaster.
Literally. I mean, just come on.
And we defied the odds because everyone will be breaking these studs on these downpipes, and so
It's the ticket.
it might be.
Look at
This is pre-order here. This is the secret stuff. Stock downpipe on the left, two-step performance downpipe on the right. Almost there.